Hey guys, it's your boy Easy again. Welcome to my garage. Sorry I haven't posted any videos lately. I've actually been writing a lot. Um, so, but anyway, it's time for one final video on this bike, my 2018 Triumph Tiger 1200. It served me very well. I've been to a lot of countries on this bike: Laos, Cambodia, Thailand, Malaysia, and obviously Singapore, where I live. I've ridden about 45,000 kilometers on this bike in the last 2 years, and I have multiple bikes, so I've been riding quite a lot. Anyway, this is the last video on this bike because I'm selling this, and the only reason I'm selling this is not because I don't like the bike, it's because I'm actually moving from Singapore. So the next video on this channel is gonna be a few months from now, but it'll be on a different bike in a different country, so keep a lookout for that. Anyway, so this is my 2018 Triumph Tiger 1200. So this is going to be the final service video. It's going to be a simple thing before I hand it over to the new owner. I'm going to be changing the shaft oil, the final drive oil. Now, I've already changed my shaft oil once before when I did my break-in servicing on this Tiger. I filmed a video on that as well, so I'll put a link in the description so you can check that out, where I do an engine oil change as well. But I thought I'll create a specific video just showing you how to change the shaft oil. So this is going to be a much shorter video. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, first things first, get your bike on the center stand, which I've already done, on a flat level surface. Okay, and then what you're going to need is obviously just a mat to protect your floor from any oil spillage, a drain pan to collect the old oil, a regular socket wrench and you're going to need an 8mm hex bit, which I've got here, a torque wrench to torque up the plugs later, some brand new washers. You're gonna need 2 of these washers. I've got an extra one here, and the size of these washers, I don't know the size, but the way I got it and the way you can get them is just take out the old washers from the drain plug and the filler plug. This is the filler plug, this is the drain plug, and then just use those old washers. Go to a hardware store and get new washers of the same size. Okay, you're gonna need some gear oil, 75W90 weight according to the service manual, and I think that's it. Okay, so the service manual actually just calls for a shaft oil change once during the break-in servicing, so along with the first oil change, and after that the service manual says you don't need to change the oil at all. The oil is pretty long lasting, this gear oil. However, I have read in the forums that it's a good practice to change your shaft oil, not every oil change, but say every 60,000 kilometers or so. So I would say that's every 3 or 4 oil changes. So let's get started. So what we're gonna do first is remove the filler plug here along with the washer, and then remove the drain plug along with the washer, and then the old oil will gush out, and so collect that in the drain pan. Okay, so the drain plug and the washer, and now the drain plug. Okay, so let the oil drain completely. So once it's done, just give it a nice wipe to clean any debris or any excess oil. Okay, and then also take your old plugs, your drain plug and your filler plug. Give this a nice wipe as well, nice clean. We're going to reuse these bolts. Also examine it to make sure it looks good, there's no excessive debris stuck on it, and the threads are good. And you can go ahead and discard the old washers. So I've got my 2 old washers here. I'm going to discard these. We're going to use new washers. Okay, so with this area nice and clean, let's go ahead and install the drain plug with the new washer. So get a new washer. Get your torque wrench So let me get my torque wrench out. Set it to 25 Newton meters or 18.5 foot-pounds, and let's go ahead and torque the drain plug up. Okay, now get your 75W90 weight gear oil. You might need a funnel if your bottle doesn't already have a funnel built in. So mine does, so I'm not going to need one. We're going to start filling oil through the filler hole, and you're going to need roughly about 120 to 150 milliliters of gear oil. But the manual just just says fill the oil until the bottom of this filler hole. So you fill it until oil starts dripping out of the filler hole. Okay, there you go. I filled it and the oil is dripping out, so I'll let it drip out a little bit more, but I believe the oil is at the bottom of this, at the bottom level of this filler hole. Okay, so the excess oil has almost fully drained out, so let me go ahead and install the filler plug with the new washer. And let's go ahead and torque up the filler plug again to 25 Newton meters or 18.5 foot-pounds. Okay, give it a nice wipe with your rag. And that's it. And that's how you change the final drive oil on your Triumph Tiger 1200s. Remember, again, you probably only need to do this like every third or fourth oil change, but you can do it more frequently if you want. It's really, really easy. It's like less than 5 minutes. Okay, hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting more videos. It might be a couple months before I post the next video, but after that I'll be pretty regular. I'm planning on having a few bikes, so I'll be posting a lot. Also, if you'd like to see more content other than maintenance videos, like vlogging and stuff, let me know. I'm not much of a vlogger. I do enjoy writing more than filming, but I am planning a pretty big road trip this coming year. Like, actually, it's going to be many months. So maybe I'll document it in video and definitely photos. So maybe I'll post a few videos on that this coming year. All right, guys, take care. It's your boy Easy again, signing out. Bye.